Hey besties! Today I'm showing you super easy Korean hairstyles for every day, from cute and casual to chic and trendy. These are quick, beginner-friendly, and will instantly give you that K-drama glow-up vibe. Let's jump in. 1. Part your hair into two side sections, then create a small braid beneath each section. Secure them with pins on the opposite side, and finish by tying a cute ribbon at both ends for that sweet Korean-inspired look. 2. Leave a few strands loose in the front, then make two small braids on each side. Do the same on the other side, and gently bring all the braids together at the back. Secure them with a cute ribbon for a soft, girly finish. 3. Start by making a low ponytail, then divide it into two sections and braid each one. Wrap the two braids together into a bun and secure with a ribbon for that chic Korean vibe. 4. For short hair, leave a few strands loose at the front. Take the middle section at the back and make a small ponytail. Then take the section just below it, tie another ponytail, flip it inward, and pull the first ponytail through the second one for a neat, layered look. 5. First, make a ponytail with the upper section of your hair at the back. Then take the lower section and tie it right beneath the upper ponytail, so it looks like a layered two-pony style. 6. Part your hair to one side, take the middle section and make a braid. Now tuck the remaining hair inward into that braid. Do the same on the other side, then tie a ribbon at both ends for a soft, girly finish. 7. Part the front sections of your hair, make a small ponytail on one side and flip it inward to secure. Repeat the same on the other side, and leave the remaining hair open for a soft, everyday look. 8. Part your hair to one side, make a ponytail and keep flipping it inward all the way to the end. Repeat the same on the other side for a chic twisted look. 9. At the back, take two sections from the upper part, cross them over the other layers of hair from both sides, and secure with a claw clip, leaving some layers softly falling at the back. 10. Create mini braids at the front and tuck them inward on both sides. Then, make bubble braids at the front on each side for a playful, trendy look. And that's it, besties. 10 easy Korean hairstyles. Which one's your fav? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more girly looks.